أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from the rejected shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَاتْلُ عَلَيْهِمْ نَبَأَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. And recite to them, O Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recite to them the news of Ibrahim, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. إِذْ قَالَ لِأَبِيهِ وَقَوْمِهِ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ. When he said to his father and his people, when Ibrahim alayhi salam invited them to his father and his people, what do you worship? قالوا نعبد أصناما فنظل لها عاكفين. They said, we worship idols and we will remain devoted to them. We will remain every time devoted to them. قال هل يسمعونكم إذ تدعون. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam said, do they hear you when you call? When you call them to your idols, they hear you? أَوْ يَنْفَعُونَكُمْ أَوْ يَضُرُّونَ. Or do they benefit you or harm you? قَالُوا بَلْ وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا كَذَلِكَ يَفْعَلُونَ. They answered, nay, but we found our forefathers doing so. قال أفرأيتم ما كنتم تعبدون. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam said, he said, do you see what you have been worshipping? أنتم وآباؤكم الأقدمون. You and your forefathers. فإنهم عدو لي إلا رب العالمين. Indeed, they are enemies to me except the Lord of the worlds. الذي خلقني فهو يهدين. The one who created me. Allah is the one who, my Lord is the one who created me, and it is He who guides me. وَالَّذِي هُوَ يُطْعِمُنِي وَيَسْقِينِ. And the one who gives me life, and the one who gives me food and drink. وَإِذَا مَرِضْتُ فَهُوَ يَشْفِينِ. And when I am ill, He cures me. وَالَّذِي يُمِيتُنِي ثُمَّ يُحْيِينِ. And the one who will cause me to die and then give me life. وَالَّذِي أَطْمَعُ أَن يَغْفِرَ لِي خَطِيئَتِي يَوْمَ الدِّينِ. And the one who, Allah is the one who, I hope, will forgive me for my faults on the day of judgment. Allah will forgive me my faults also. رَبِّ هَبْ لِي حُكْمًا وَأَلْحِقْنِي بِالصَّالِحِينَ. My Lord, grant me wisdom and join me with the righteous. وَاجْعَلْ لِي لِسَانَ صِدْقٍ فِي الْآخِرِينَ. And grant me an honorable mention among the later generations. وَاجْعَلْنِي مِنْ وَرَثَةِ جَنَّةِ النَّعِيمِ. And place me among the inheritors of gardens of delight. وَاغْفِرْ لِأَبِي إِنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الضَّالِّينَ. And forgive my father, indeed he is of those astray. O my Lord, forgive my father. وَلَا تُخْزِنِي يَوْمَ يُبْعَثُونَ. And do not disgrace me on the day they are resurrected. يوم لا ينفع مال ولا بنون. The day when neither wealth nor sons will benefit. إلا من أتى الله بقلب سليم. Except he who comes to Allah with a sound heart. وَأُزْلِفَتِ الْجَنَّةُ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. And the paradise will be brought near for the righteous. صدق الله العظيم.